If you're experiencing a verification pending status with JetStream Federal Credit Union, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any communication from JetStream Federal Credit Union in your inbox or spam folder. They may have sent you a verification email that requires your attention. Step 2. Verify your identity. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRIC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer service. Reach out to JetStream Federal Credit Union's customer service. Use the phone number or email provided on their official website to inquire about the status of your verification. Step 4. Follow instructions. Once you contact customer service, follow any specific instructions they provide. This may include submitting additional documents or confirming your identity through a secure method. Step 5. Monitor your account. After taking the necessary steps, keep an eye on your account status. It may take some time for the verification to be completed, so check back regularly for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status efficiently. If problems persist, consider reaching out again for further assistance.